We are all fighting for justice for Sushant. But have we thought of fighting for justice of every other Indian who is dying today? Indians are not dying because of corona. We're dying because of poverty. We're dying because companies are shutting down. We're dying because we have no more work. We're dying because we have no more money. We're dying because we have exhausted all our savings. Sushant is great. He was great. Our prayers are with him. But our prayers are more with those who are suffering every day, who are dying each day. We die a death every single day thinking of where is our next meal going to come from. We die every single day thinking where is our next paycheck going to come from. There is so much suffering, not because of the pandemic, but because of the rampant lockdowns across the globe. We represent a very small but the most significant aspect of trade. We represent the exhibition industry. We are suffering, we are starving. For 6 months, we have kept hope. We have hoped things will improve globally. We have hoped things will improve in the country. And now, when everything is opening, why are we not being allowed to open? For 6 months, we have not worked. For 6 months, we have not had one single penny come into our account. We have exhausted all our savings. We don't know where our next meal is going to come from. We are having to fire our employees. We are having to break our policies. We are having to default our payments. Soon we will not even have a roof over us. Where is the next paycheck going to come from? That is a question which looms over every professional in our industry. Please save us. The exhibition industry has been critical in bringing all businesses together. It has been critical in globalization. It has been critical in innovation. Please save us. We need the unlock of expos for survival. We need unlock of expos for economic growth. If there is somebody out there who hears us, we're supporting 2 crore people just in India. Please unlock us. It's time for exhibitions to restart. It's time for unlock expos. Thank you.